In Middleton, where families value both comfort and style, homeowners are discovering how modern windows can transform their living spaces. Natural light has a powerful effect on mood, productivity, and the overall feel of a home. Yet older windows often fail to deliver the brightness residents want, leaving rooms feeling dim and confined. With the right modern window solutions, Middleton homeowners can maximize natural light, enhance their interiors, and enjoy a more welcoming home year-round. The benefits of natural light does far more than brighten your living spaces. It improves the way you live in your home. Boosts mood and energy. Sunlight creates a positive atmosphere and helps regulate sleep cycles. Expands space visually. Bright rooms feel larger and more open, even without adding square footage. Reduces reliance on artificial light. More daylight means fewer lamps and fixtures, which lowers electricity bills. Enhances interior design. Natural light highlights colors, textures, and decor, making your home more inviting. For Middleton residences, maximizing natural light is both a lifestyle upgrade and a practical improvement. Modern window styles that let the light in. Today's window designs focus on slim frames, wider glass surfaces, and energy-efficient materials, all of which allow more light into your home. Picture windows. These large, fixed panes create a wide, unobstructed view of the outdoors while flooding rooms with daylight. Bay and bow windows. Extending outward from the home, they capture light from multiple angles and add architectural charm. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, they open fully to let in air and maximize sunlight. Double-hung windows with modern frames. Updated designs feature slimmer profiles that let in more light without compromising durability. Choosing the right window style for each room ensures every space benefits from increased brightness. Energy-efficient glass for comfort and protection. Some Middleton homeowners worry that more sunlight might mean more heat or glare indoors. Thankfully, modern glass technology prevents those concerns. Low-E coatings. These microscopic layers let in light while reflecting heat, keeping your home cool in summer and warm in winter. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of insulated glass reduce energy loss while maintaining brightness. UV protection. Special coatings filter harmful rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. This allows you to enjoy abundant daylight without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Strategic placement for maximum impact. It's not just the style of the window that matters. The placement also plays a role in capturing light effectively. South-facing windows bring in consistent sunlight throughout the day. East-facing windows provide bright, energizing morning light. West-facing windows add warmth and golden tones in the evening. High or clear-story windows add daylight while maintaining privacy in bathrooms or bedrooms. By considering how sunlight moves across your Middleton property, you can maximize natural light in every room. The value of professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform as expected without expert installation. Local professionals ensure precise fitting for optimal light and energy efficiency. Proper sealing to prevent drafts and moisture intrusion. Tailored recommendations for window styles that match your home's architecture and needs. This guarantees that your investment in modern windows truly enhances your living space. Final thoughts. For Middleton homeowners, modern windows offer more than a stylish update. They unlock the full potential of natural light. From boosting mood and highlighting decor to reducing energy use, new windows create brighter, healthier, and more comfortable homes. With advanced glass technology, versatile styles, and professional installation, you can enjoy the beauty of daylight without the drawbacks of glare or heat. If your Middleton home feels darker than you'd like, now is the perfect time to explore modern window solutions. By upgrading, you'll maximize natural light, improve comfort, and give your home the inviting atmosphere it deserves.